All right, y'all. I don't know a whole lot about computers, but I've been looking around. Because for any of y'all watching my videos, you know that I'm trying to get a PC. I've mentioned it more than enough times. But, anyways, we're going to watch this guy, Crater. I like this guy's builds, and I like how he throws Funko Pops inside it. Looks pretty cool. Anyways, here we go.
Yo, what up, family? We have a special one here today. We're gonna have a Sonic themed white colorway. We're gonna go over all the parts, and then I'm gonna build it. It's gonna be a time-lapse style, and then we're gonna game on it. First of all, before we start this video, shout out to Zotac, because they sent over this card for me. Appreciate it, guys. So I didn't have to fork out on the card. I just copped everything else. All right, guys, so we have a lot of lovely components here in front of us, and we have some very nice extras. This build is gonna come together really nicely. Let's do it. So first, a unique component, our motherboard. Usually there's not too much excitement over motherboards, but in this video, it's different because this is a Sonic themed motherboard. Ta-da! And here is the box. You can already see how it's gonna look. The side, Sonic the Hedgehog.
Cool.
It's an ASRock board. It's rocking the Z790 chipset. And as we're going through every part, I'll put the price up on the screen. Here we
If he's using a Sonic Funko Pop, that's probably what gave him the idea of using the Sonic Funko Pop. I can't imagine he went looking for a Sonic motherboard. What's the likelihood of them actually having it?
have the box. Here we have our board.
It does look pretty sweet, though.
Yeah, that's right. Looks dope. Silver and blue colorway. Look at the ring, guys. Look at the ring. Let's go. That looks so dope. My goodness, what the? 1, 2, 3.
What are those things called? I used to see them all the time when I was a little kid. You know how when you change the angle that you're looking at it from, it moves. I can't remember what those things are
3,
called.
4, 5. This board has 5 M.2 slots. What? That's a lot. Sick. Look at the I/O shield. It even has Sonic right here. What else? Some cable ties. I'll get an M.2 screw out, user manual that we don't need. All right, so our processor, the i5-13600K.
Wish I had that kind of confidence. All right, so for $1,800 computer, I'm not computer savvy. I don't know. I'm hoping somebody can answer this question for me. Wouldn't you want at least an i7? Like this laptop that I got is an i5. And I mean, I don't know. I feel like for $1,800 PC, you probably want something better. But I don't know. Maybe that's good. Maybe it's something else wrong with my laptop. But I don't know. Tell me in the comments.
i5 is great for gaming. It's going to help our 4070 Ti out a lot.
Educate
and I won't
me.
waste too much time talking about this because you guys already know it's a good CPU. The graphics card. Dun, dun, dun. So this is Zotac Gaming RTX 4070 Ti, and this is the Trinity version. Card is going to be rocking a black and silver colorway, which doesn't match our Sonic build all that much, but we're going to change that. Love gaming power the win. Oh my fudge. Here's Zotac's cool little mascot. I like him because he has the same chibi body going, just like Crater. He also has a chibi body. Comes with a GPU stand. We will not be using it. We're gonna use our own Crater GPU stand that you can pick up at craterhq.com because it's cleaner looking and it matches our color theme. Next is our 16-pin to dual 8-pin adapter for our 4070 Ti, but we're not gonna be using this because it's stock and it's ugly. We're gonna be using a custom Crater RTX 4070 Ti power cable extension in the white colorway. And this is gonna look a lot nicer in the front of our build. Go pick one up on our site, craterhq.com. Now, back to our card. So check it out. See, it doesn't match the color theme, obviously. The black doesn't, at least. The silver definitely does, because that's on our motherboard. Now watch this. The back plate is how we're gonna make it match. We're gonna be adding a dope custom back plate that lights up as well. Now watch this. This is before, and this is gonna be our after. Boom! Instantly turned it into a sick Sonic themed GPU, and it lights up. It's gonna look sick, guys. We picked this up from v1tech.com. I'll post a
Wait, now, isn't that going to block the airflow? Hold up. Let me go back. The airflow's already looking like it's blocked. I don't know.
v1tech.com. I'll post a link to it in the video description. Looks dope, looks dope. Thanks for the backplate, V1Tech. Now let's get the storage and the RAM out of the way. First with the storage, I'm only gonna start off with 1 terabyte, very well priced. Prices have dropped on M.2s recently. For our RAM, this will be enough for me, 5600 megahertz, 32 gigabyte kit, DDR5 by Corsair. And when it comes to our juice, we're gonna be using an NZXT power supply. This is gold rated. It's 850 watts. Let's get it open. And of course, it's fully modular. So I'm gonna have clean cable management inside my build. All right, what's gonna cool our i5, by the way, guys? A great bang for your buck CPU heatsink. It adds RGB and it's in the white colorway. Finally, as I showed you guys earlier, we're gonna be using our full RGB LED strip kit to provide all the light inside our build and make our components really stand out. This kit comes with 2 RGB LED strips, cable to connect it to the motherboard, an extension cable for more flexibility when installing, and tons of super strong magnetic attachments. Place our strips very neatly inside our build. Look how dope this box art looks, guys. It's sick. Our custom sleeve white extension cables, you can pick these up in a wide variety of colors at CreatorHQ.com. And the case I chose to house everything is a 205 Mesh C. Tempered glass side panel, plenty of airflow, and 3 pre-installed RGB fans. All right, guys, time to get started. And then we frag it up. Gonna be awesome. All right, let's do it, guys. Just like old times. Cue the time lapse.
Yeah, there's gonna be some of these until Friday. That's when I'll get YouTube Red. Cause my ass is broke. Or YouTube Premium, whatever the fuck it's called now. I keep saying YouTube Red. This kind of makes me want to go play Sonic. Just set it on there? How does he attach it? Double-sided tape or some glue or what?
Gonna boot it up for the first time. And everything's on. Fans are on, RGB strips on, backplate's on, GPU's on. All fans are spinning. Looking good. Take a look at the backplate. It looks sick and it lights up. And I'm gonna be able to fully control all the lights, the backplate and our RTX 4070 Ti. So I got plenty of airflow in my build. On my custom 40 series cable there, looks way better than stock, supporting it with our GPU support. Here's the front of the build. I'll show you guys the back of the motherboard again. Would you just look at that? Sonic. Looks good, guys. Simple build. Look how cool it looks. We haven't even customized the lighting. Anyways, now I need to install our operating system, Windows 11. I've made a video on how to install Windows 11 for free from a USB flash drive. That will be linked in the video description.
Alright guys, so for Halo Infinite, I'm going to be playing at 1440p, max FOV is set to 120, and I'm playing on the graphics preset of medium. And here's our sensory settings, let's do it. Oh,
Medium.
yeah,
See?
yellow.
So I guess when I get my computer, I probably want like an i7, preferably an i9. I could be just saying shit. I don't know what I'm talking
Man,
about.
dude, I just made a lot
Well,
of
that does
mistakes
look pretty
right now,
sweet.
I'm not gonna lie.
Yo, get over here. Let's all get this warlog. Come on, come on. Oh,
Where?
why would
It's
you
not
put it
laggy
so
at all
close
like
to
mine
the is. Mario, don't let anyone else get in here. Don't let Get away. Yeah, we did it. We did it. Hurry.
Nice, good kill.
Nice.
One more.
Look, he's shooting. Yeah, let's go to their side. Yeah. Oh.
Good kill.
We're getting hit.
Get off!
Get out of there!
I tried to kill the ghost. You got me. I'm killing him. Shoot at him.
And I had such high hopes for Halo Infinite.
We're gonna
Run him
oh,
over here.
yeah.
Took them so long
I
to
aborted.
release the multiplayer that by the time they did, everybody beat it and nobody even gave a shit.
Try to stay alive. That's
Bruh.
Get on.
Oh.
Focus on the world.
There we go. Nice.
Focus on the world. Behind you.
Can't turn.
No, stay alive. Stay
Oh no,
alive.
how do I switch seats? How do
Get
I
off,
switch
get off,
seats?
get
Get
off, get off. Oh god. This world.
Oh my goodness. Stop! Why does it look so small?
Get away from it or you're gonna die. Just kill it.
Yo, when I'm playing multiplayer in this game, when that happened just now to him, all the time I'm trying to use that damn grappling hook, even though you don't have it. I mean, you could have it, but
Just kill them. Don't die. Don't die. We need to win.
you don't always have it like you do in
Oh my goodness. We
campaign.
lost by 1 kill. Alright guys, settings for Call of Duty Warzone 2. 1440p resolution. Here are the quality settings. And for the view, it's set to the max, 120. Let's do it.
So that's how they're growing so fast. They're hiring freelancers. Look what they're doing with AI experts.
Oh my god.
And be alright.
Fiverr's a good way to get scammed. You gotta
Alright,
pay
man,
good
Donnie's
money.
identified.
If
Where
you,
you at?
you could
Alright,
use
go,
Fiverr
Donnie,
for
let's go.
some
I'll meet you there.
to get some good shit done. But
He fell.
Oh my goodness. Another guy dead.
A guy in front of me. He ran in here.
you get your
probably.
what you
We're
pay
not here.
for.
Oh, his teammate just landed.
Right here if you want.
Let's move our way to this building. Help me.
Pay $50 to get somebody to
There's
make a
one on me.
YouTube channel for you or something. I paid somebody
No one gets it.
$15
Oh my goodness.
to make me 150 shorts, and I put
How much
like
is it
2
to
of them
buy
up here. They were like what's it called? Fortnite. And it was just one of them was showing Ninja get killed by,
Played up.
or no, I didn't even put that one up there.
Nice.
I don't remember which ones I put up there, but it's like Ninja getting killed by Peter Griffin.
No one gets left behind. Get up here.
I'm getting stuck.
It wasn't stuff that would retain
I need to reload.
people.
Rocket shield. He's one.
I'm healing.
Dead.
Good job. Yeah, we did. That's good. Good job, man. Well done. Oh, 99% utilization, 4070 Ti. That was good. With a 13600K, good pairing. Settings for Apex Legends, 1440p res, max FOV 110, reflex enabled plus boost. Here's the rest of the settings. Let's do it. I'm gonna drop on this building. Hey, by me? Oh my god. Who threw that? You?
I hit 1 for 18. You started 1 for 18.
I broke him. He's lit. Alright, let's take this jump. Get close to me.
Is Apex?
I downed him.
Hey, to our right. Rocket shield. Oh. Dead.
Good job. Let's finish it off. Come on. He's on the roof. He's one shot. I downed him. We're endgame, man. You know what, man? We need to focus on that fight then. Right in front of us.
Oh my goodness, no shields. I'm cheating after second.
Behind us. Go right on top
That
of you.
little tiny keyboard pisses me off.
Hit him a lot. He's almost dead.
Oh, no. Good try, man. Running back again.
I feel like I'd be moving it all over the place on accident.
Oh, my
It'd be
goodness. You think?
upsetting me.
No shields. I fell. Dead.
Good job. All right, let's go get him.
Dead.
Good job. All right, let's run towards them. Follow me.
Over there.
Yep, they're running. Run far right. One's one shot. I'm reloading. Go.
I'm stuck
Rush
reloading.
him. Good job. Pick me up right now. All right, let's get in zone.
Yeah.
Hey, stay close to me. All right, let's get to the top of this blue building right now with this lift. You're gonna use your scanner when I tell you to. Not yet. Use your scanner now.
No, he's one.
Oh! Performance was good. Very good. All right, next game. Settings for Rainbow Six Siege. 1440p res, max FOV 90. Here are the graphic settings. Let's get it done.
One by stairs.
There's one pushing you.
Oh my goodness.
Yo, another one on you, Mario.
Yo,
Yeah, they're big.
It's been a really long time since I've played any type of shooter on a PC.
Back up. They know where we are.
She's coming towards you. Yep. Good job.
Oh, there's one.
You have 30 seconds.
It's just night and day difference between having a controller and having a mouse and keyboard
I got two on me.
with a shooter.
Oh, was inside? Oh my.
I almost killed all of them.
That's how you do it. Good job.
Nice.
Gotcha, bitch.
You have 1 minute.
He's out.
Hard left, bro. Oh! Yo, tell me when they're on stairs.
We can't lose this. It's not an option.
Lock me out, brother.
You got this. You got this.
Yes, we do, brother.
Oh,
Good job, brother. Alright, guys, so that wraps up our 4070 Ti Sonic build. Build came out cute. Gameplay was dope. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Hell yeah. So yeah, guys, I need to get a new computer, a PC. But like I've said numerous times, I don't know what I need. I know I want to play World of Warcraft. I know I'd like to play Apex like he was just doing. Play some Call of Duty. I really like base building survival games like Ark. I'm not paying for Ark again though. I got it on the Xbox. If I want to play it, I'll play it on the Xbox. I could stream it from the Xbox. Not to YouTube, but I mean there are ways. But yeah, just let me know what I need. Like to play a game. It doesn't even need to be at max settings. Just like mid, at least. I mean, I'd like to play World of Warcraft on max settings. I thought that this thing right here would do that, but it used to. It used to. It would be a little bit laggy. Now it's no, it ain't doing that. It's laggy now with the settings turned all the way down. I have the render distance all the way to as low as it can go. And it's still a little bit laggy. Mainly when I'm around other players. But yeah, man. I need to get on the ball. Gotta wait though. I don't got no money, so just work. Stay home. Save my money up. Then I'll start buying piece by piece. Should have a little bit of money coming to me here in a few months, so I could probably buy quite a bit of the computer. But yeah, just leave a comment below and let me know, like, hey, you should get this, you should get this, don't get this. And I already know that certain parts won't work together, like certain fans won't fit in certain cases, and certain power supplies won't work with certain GPUs or something, or motherboards, whatever. But yeah, just give me all the information you can give me. Thanks. Like and subscribe.